Textile Motorcycle Jacket for Men. Dualsport Enduro Motorbike Biker Riding Jacket. Breathable CE Armoured Waterproof, Black, M. All-Season Motorcycle Jacket, 600D CORDURA Construction Textile Motorcycle Jacket. The HWK Motorcycle Jacket is an all-season motorbike jacket at its best. Tough and also solid, comfy as well as yet soft to the touch, to maintain you cozy during wintertime, cool throughout summer season, and also risk-free at the exact same time. CE Approved Armours, removable, on the men's motorbike jacket's back, elbows and shoulders. 100% waterproof motorcycle jacket for males with the assistance of correct ceiled REISSA membrane. Maximum quality at a minimum price. This a bargain. We wager that you would not be able to discover a textile motorcycle coat males at this cost in the marketplace. This waterproof motorbike jacket is breathable and has mesh lining underneath. Upper body measurements: size UID inches, small 38, medium 40, large 42, X large 44, XX large 46, XXXL 48. After that, please pick the upper size for easy fitting if you're between sizes. All-weather condition CE Armoured Motorcycle Jacket with removable winter thermal lining. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.